everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to today's video and you're welcome back to my channel. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you an amazing ingredients that would actually target your back fat. Okay, so I know that there are some parts in our bodies like our stomach, our hands, our thigh and our back, that we actually don't want fat to accumulate. Now the reason why fat actually accumulates in those places is actually because we tend to take some junk food and all of that and overeat. Now I'm going to be showing you a natural ingredient that would actually help you target your back fat and gradually remove them. Okay, so without wasting any more time, now let me take you right into this video because I know you're going to be loving it. Yeah, do not forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and also share. Now let's go. Okay guys, so for a back fat remedy you're going to be needing cucumber. Now if you use this remedy consistently and as I would direct it in this video, you're going to definitely see a result. Okay, so you're going to be using cucumber. Now because cucumber is loaded with so many nutrients and it contains a whole lot of juice, so the juice content would help to wash out the excessive fat and the fiber content will help to fill up your stomach. So even if you need, hi guys, so for this particular back fat remedy we're going to be needing cucumber. Now we're actually already cut, wash and slice my cucumber. Now you're going to be using cucumber because cucumber contains a whole lot of juice and fiber. Now the juice content in this cucumber helps so much to actually help flush out those excessive fats stored in your stomach or your back, and then the fiber contents help to fill your stomach up. So even if you're actually taking the fiber plus the juice content, it is actually very good and very helpful. Okay, so it will actually help to flush out the fat in your system and then help you to stay slim and stay healthy also. So what I would do is that I would have to be putting just a little bit of water. Now the water is just to enable me blend my cucumber very well. Otherwise, if you have a whole lot of cucumber, you do not need to even put in any water. After that, then I'll blend it. What you do is that you can decide to either take plus all of the fiber in this cucumber, or you can actually decide to sieve it out. For me, I would actually love to sieve it out because I wouldn't want to drink the fiber for now. Yeah, but the fiber is actually very important because it helps to fill you up and make you stay full. Okay, so you're literally not going to be feeling too much of hunger while you take this back fat reduction remedy. Alright, so now what I'll do, I'll have to press it this way to extract my juice, much juice out of this. Yeah, after that is done, here I have my cucumber juice, and for the very next ingredient we're going to be needing lime. This is our local lime. It's actually usually this small, and of course lime is usually green, so ours is green also. So you're going to be needing about 2 small lime that contains juice. But if you don't have a lime that actually contains a lot of juice, you can actually use 3 or 4 because some limes, especially our kind of lime, don't contain a whole lot of juice. So I'm going to be using 2 little of this lime. I'll get a bowl and then squeeze in my lime juice into this. Just like I said initially, this particular one doesn't contain a whole lot of juice like the first one, yeah? So this little quantity of lime is basically enough for this, because you don't need too much of lime. Now if you have ulcer, if you're actually an ulcer patient, you don't even need to use lime. Okay, I will tell you some other thing here that you can replace with lime, because lime is very sharp and very fast when it comes to cutting down fat. So I just put in a little water so that I can just extract the juice very much. And then also the very next ingredient I'm going to be needing is going to be this, and this is lemon. Now lemon is citric in nature, and as such it helps so much when it comes to reduction of fat cells. It helps to flush you out, and it helps to make you stay healthy, stay young, and stay fit. Yeah, so if you're aiming to remove those annoying back fat and very stubborn fat, you need this particular ingredient that I'm going to be showing you. So since I've already added lime into my back fat juice, I'm not going to be putting too much of lemon. So I'm going to be okay, so this is how our local lemon is. Okay, this is how it's usually green. So in case your lemon is not like this is our lemon. Okay, so don't say it is lime or orange. No, it is our local lemon, and it's green basically. Okay, so since I have a whole lot of lemon juice in here, I'm going to be squeezing in my lemon juice. And since I don't want too much of the lemon juice, this is the quantity that I can get for now. And after that, I'm going to be sieving in the lemon juice. Now I have 3 ingredients here, which is cucumber, lime, and lemon. The 3 of these ingredients are actually very powerful when it comes to cutting down and breaking those annoying and very strong. So this is what I have here. Okay, so the very next ingredient, and for the last one in this particular ingredient, in this particular fat burning juice, is apple cider vinegar. Now when you're actually getting your apple cider vinegar, you should get the organic apple cider vinegar, the raw and unfiltered apple cider vinegar that contains the mother in it. Okay, now this actually helps so much because the mother in this apple cider vinegar makes this very effective, and it triggers the effectiveness when you actually mix it into other drink. Okay, so apple cider vinegar is very strong when it comes to cutting down fat. It does a whole lot of things in your body, like burning cholesterol, cleaning your colon, reducing belly fat, and more. Okay, so it helps in removing all of those unwanted stuff, and then you're gonna be pulling them out like really good. Now when you're taking apple cider vinegar, you have to dilute it because it's actually very harsh. The taste might not be friendly for some of you, but if you can take it, why not just add it? It's gonna be beneficial. Okay, so you're gonna be putting just 2 cups of this apple cider vinegar into the cup. Now since you've actually added 2 cups of apple cider vinegar, what you do is that you have to add up a little more water so that your juice can come up a little more. If you're not adding 2 cups of apple cider vinegar, you can take half of it. But if you're adding 2 cups of apple cider vinegar, then you would have to add up a little more water so that it doesn't get too harsh. Now, for this particular back fat remedy, you would have to take it just once in a day because it's actually very effective and very strong. Okay, just once in a day for at least 2 weeks. Now you're going to be seeing a whole lot of improvement and results. Now what you do is that when you're taking this drink, you don't go eat all of those junk food, take a lot of soda and eat anything you want and thinking that this is a magic. This is not a magic. It's actually a natural drink that helps to, you know, reduce fat in your body. I'm not going to be drinking this because it's actually not good for my baby. Okay, you know, your girl is pregnant, so I'm not going to be drinking this. But go ahead and take this once in a day. You can either take it very early in the morning or the last thing you take before sleeping. Okay, you do this for 2 weeks and I assure you that this is going to help you to remove all of your belly fat, and also it's going to help to flush out your colon. It therefore means that you're going to stay healthy and you're going to stay really fit. Okay guys, so in as much as you try this, in as much as you try this drink, do not say, oh okay, it's an express way to remove back fat. No, you have to at least avoid taking all of those junk food, and you have to at least avoid taking soda and the rest of them, so that you know that when you take this drink, it's going to be very effective for you and it's going to work wonders. So that's it guys, go give this a go and I'm sure it's going to be effective for you. All right, okay guys, I'll see you again in my next video and bye.